Welcome. Today your topic is subject verb agreement part 2. That means right forms of verbs. Can you choose the correct verb? The headmaster and secretary was or are present. So it will be was. When you will get Wanda, then it will be singular. The girl and the student is or are answering the question. So it will be is, because here you have also found only Wanda. If the noun suggests the same person, only the first noun will take article the and verb will be singular. Can you choose the correct verb? The captain and the player. So in this sentence, you have got to the captain and the player. So it will be where the headmaster and the secretary. Here you have also found the headmaster and the secretary. So it will be where. If the noun suggests the different persons, both nouns will take article the and verb will be plural. Choose the correct verbs. The magistrate and judge. So what will be the answer? It will be was. But in the second sentence, you have found the magistrate and the judge. The magistrate and the judge, they both are different. So it will be where. Each boy and each girl has or have. So each boy and each girl is also singular. Every pencil and every brush. So it will be is. When two or more nouns qualified by each or every or no, even though, that means emonki jodio, they are joined by and, but it will take singular verb. Now keep the answers using right form verbs. Every jug and every mug. What will be? Is. Each jellyfish and each dolphin. So what will be? Is. The boy and not his friends has held the book. So it will be has. The fruits and not junk food. So it will be is or are. If there is not plus noun after and, the verb will follow the noun before and. My cousins, not my friend. Where? But her uncle, not her cousins, sings. The headmaster along with his students, before we have found the headmaster, so it will be is. The students with their teacher, So it will be are. So if in the subject there is a noun or a pronoun followed by with, along with, together with, as well as accompanied by plus noun or pronoun, the verb will be according to the first noun or pronoun. Choose the correct verb from the box and give the answers using right form verbs. So Nitu as well as her friends. So before as well as we have found Nitu. So it will be has. The children with their parents, it will be are. The singer and musician, same person. Has. The poet and the writer, different person. Have. No bus and no train. Was seen. Ranu, not her sisters. Draws. So Limon accompanied by his brothers, it will be has. Each bottle and his box is or was. Ranu together with her parents. So before together with, we have got Ranu. So it will be has. Ranu's parents, not her brother. It will be are. So thank you all. Allah Hafiz.